Today, let's talk about SNMP, your secret weapon for keeping networks in check. Palo Alto makes SNMP setup simple, and once configured, it helps IT teams monitor devices effectively. A well-set SNMP profile ensures smooth communication with the SNMP manager. So, buckle up as we go step by step to make your network management easier. Imagine your operations running at peak performance. No delays, no waste, just growth. That's what I deliver with SAP. With my hands-on experience, I tailor solutions that fit your needs, not the other way around. From automation to AI-driven analytics, let's make your business unstoppable. Ready to see the difference expertise makes? Let's build a smarter, faster future starting today. The first step is easy. Log into your Palo Alto Firewall. Think of it as unlocking the door to your network's control center. You'll use the management IP to access the web interface, where all the magic happens. Just make sure you have the right permissions, or you might hit a wall. Now, let's find the SNMP settings. Head over to Device and click on Server Profiles. This is your control hub for SNMP configuration. Think of it like setting up a contact list. You're telling the firewall who to talk to. Just make sure you're in the right spot. Here's where we build the SNMP trap profile. It's basically the fire alarm for your network. Click Add and set the right configurations. Your SNMP manager relies on this trap to receive alerts, so let's make sure it's ready to work. A good name makes all the difference. It's like labeling your luggage before a trip. Assign a meaningful name to your SNMP trap, so everyone knows what it does. Stick to clear, professional naming conventions, and make sure it aligns with your company's setup. All right, folks. Step 1, let's make sure our logs don't just sit around gathering virtual dust. We'll configure log forwarding for SNMP traps, because visibility is key. We'll set up filters to send only relevant events. No one wants a flood of unnecessary alerts. Next, we'll tell our logs where to go. Designating SNMP trap destinations ensures smooth monitoring. And finally, testing. Because nobody wants to hear, "Oops, it wasn't working after an incident." Let's talk about severity levels, because not every log deserves a panic attack. We'll categorize alerts wisely. Critical ones demand immediate action, while lower priority logs get a less dramatic approach. Adjusting thresholds is crucial, ensuring we don't drown in alerts, but also don't miss the important ones. Remember, we want clarity, not chaos. Now, it's time to enable SNMP on the management interface. But let's do it right. Authentication ensures that only the right people get access. Restricting SNMP access is like putting a VIP list at the door. Only trusted networks get in. And as always, testing is key. Let's confirm SNMP is working before we start bragging about it. Before we move ahead, let's do a quick health check on our interface management profile. SNMP should be enabled in the profile, otherwise, it's like installing a door but forgetting the handle. We'll validate that SNMP traps are properly configured, ensuring seamless event reporting. Finally, a test query, because trust but verify is our mantra. We've done the setup. Now let's make it official by committing changes. But first, a quick review is always wise. No one wants surprises. Once we apply the changes, we'll scan system logs for errors. And finally, the golden rule of IT. Test, test, test. The moment of truth. Let's put our configuration to the test. We'll connect to an SNMP manager and run queries. If all goes well, we'll see the right responses. Traps and alerts should be working flawlessly in our monitoring tools. And with that, we can confidently say, yes, we know what we're doing. Congratulations, we did it. SNMP is up and running, logs are forwarded, alerts are meaningful, and tests are successful. We've conquered another IT challenge. Now go celebrate. but maybe not with too much coffee, because debugging jittery fingers are never fun. And finally, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.